So today we are making charbroiled oysters, and I'm going to show y'all how I do mine. Now this is like the easiest, if you're into oysters, this is like the most easiest, tastiest recipe ever. And I don't even know if it's a recipe, I'm just showing you how I do it. So I have my fresh parsley soaking. I always like soak all my produce because y'all know the dirt and stuff that be in these things. So that's soaking in some water and a little white vinegar. So I let that soak, and then I'll rinse them off again and chop that up. I make a butter sauce first. So I melt some butter. Usually depends on how many oysters I have. It'll depend on how many sticks of butter I need or how much butter sauce I need. So 4 should be enough for what I have. If not, it's nothing to melt a stick or 2 more to add to it. So basically I just melt the butter and I add in the seasonings here. Oh, and I also add, sorry y'all, my minced garlic. So I add the minced garlic into the butter, the seasonings, which is only garlic powder, black pepper, and some oregano. That change up, that give it what it need to give. I don't put salt in it because first and foremost, certain oysters are salty. So the ones I have are salty, and I'm gonna be putting Parmesan cheese on top. And y'all know Parmesan is salty. So the butter sauce, this is the only thing that the butter sauce, I got y'all too close. This is the only thing the butter sauce consists of, and I'll show y'all how I do it. And then on the side, it's gonna be in a bowl. I'm gonna put the Parmesan cheese along with the chopped parsley. So when we go out, Steven is outside now opening the oysters. We use single oysters, of course. I mean, it don't work with clusters. Singles is what you use. So he's outside now opening the oysters. Once we put them on the grill, then the process will be put your butter sauce on top, then add your cheese, parsley, and the flame will melt that real good, and you got to eat it like right off the grill. Just eating it all willy-nilly later, that never works. It don't taste the same. You got to eat it fresh off the grill. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do it, and hope y'all try it, y'all. It's so good. It is so good.
Just text, I know it's a toss, oh, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. We was raised a little different. I used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your ribcage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash it. And we could keep the pace on slow, yeah. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do?
So we got the turkey mix is done and all tender, y'all. These turkey dicks, baby. I know it might not look like much, but it definitely tastes like much. I'm trying to tell y'all. My hands is clean. I just washed my hands, but I'm gonna pick on that little one right there. This is gonna be mine. Look at that meat. So the eggs and the potato I always do first. Then I'm gonna add the corn and the shrimp that's over there. The broccoli I do separate because I just throw that on in there too. Got some of the fish already done and some is getting there.
Breaking bed, play my song on the radio. You too busy trying to find that blue asshole. I let my black hair go and my weeds on. And I sweat too much on the regular. We gon' let them hits fly, we gon' let it go. If it ain't next door, then it gotta go. I just won a new award for a good show.
Almost 2025.
Goddamn bitch, I am not a teen choice. Goddamn bitch, I am not a beach boy. Quick, make a nigga understand though. Got that Hannibal, silence of the Lambo. Hit the gas so hard, make it rotate. All my niggas blew up like a propane. All these R&B niggas be so lame. Got a sleek Asian chick, she gon' roll it.
Happy New Year!
You know me. You know me. Every time you try to forget who I am, I'll be right there to remind you again. You know me. You know me. Why don't you shake some for the gun, don't you break none, big girl, won't you work some for the gun, don't you hurt none, big girl, won't you shake some for the gun, don't you break none, big girl, won't you work some.